Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Doris Etito. I make videos from Warri City, Delta State, Nigeria. If you are visiting my channel for the very first time, you are welcome to the channel. Please do well to leave comments in the comment section, do well to like my videos, do well to share my videos, and kindly, most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Turn on post notification bell so you get instant updates whenever I upload a new video. Today's recipe is moist coconut rice that melts in your mouth. This method of cooking coconut rice is the Warri style, okay? In Warri City, Delta State, Nigeria, we make coconut rice in a certain way, and that is what I'm going to show you today. If you like to see how we make coconut rice, if you like to see how we cook coconut rice in Warri City, Delta State, Nigeria, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients to make coconut rice. 3 mature medium-sized coconuts, 3 cups of rice, fresh prawns, onions, seasoning cubes, salt, pepper. This pepper is very spicy but gives lots of flavor. I will use only 2. The rest I will use to make pepper sauce for the rice. Also, I'm using snails for the pepper sauce. You can use any protein of choice, okay? And vegetable oil to make the pepper sauce. To begin, crack open the coconut. Then remove the coconut meat from its shell with a blunt knife. Wash and rinse the coconuts in clean water. Immediately I finish removing the coconut meat from its shell, I'd put the rice on the stove to parboil it, as well as the snails to cook them. Cut the coconut in smaller chunks to help the blade of your blender. Important tip: if you are to blend the coconut with a heavy-duty grinding machine, endeavor to peel off the brown side of the coconut, else the coconut rice will turn slightly brown when done. Place the diced coconut in a blender alongside with the water from the coconut. You can use ordinary water as well. Blend the coconut till smooth. Do well to add more water as necessary to help the blade of your blender. Blend the rest batch of the coconut. Once I'm done blending, I will extract the coconut milk by sieving a little at a time. Extract the coconut milk by sieving a little at a time, then set aside. Coconut rice from fresh coconuts It's very tasty and the aroma is amazing. You can make coconut rice from store-bought coconut milk, like coconut milk in tin, okay? But I always prefer to make my coconut rice from fresh coconuts and extracting the coconut milk by myself. This is the first batch of the coconut milk. It is very creamy and plays a significant role in the recipe. The first extracted coconut milk is the most important aspect of the recipe. It is what will give the rice its softness, sweetness, and moisture. Put this bowl aside. Then pour hot water over the coconut chaff, then repeat sieving to extract more coconut milk. This bowl contains the first batch of the coconut milk, and that is the second batch of coconut milk. And here is the chaff, the coconut chaff. Now, pour the second batch of the coconut milk into a pot, then leave to boil. Add the sliced onions, salt, and seasoning cube. Stir, then add the parboiled rice. Taste for salt and seasoning. Then leave to cook till the water dries out partially. As you will notice, the rice has dried out partially. The initial coconut milk we added has dried out. Now I'm going to add the fresh prawns, some sliced pepper, now I'm going to add the first batch of the coconut milk, and I will give the rice a quick stir, then leave to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. While the rice is cooking on low heat, I'll prepare the pepper sauce by placing a pan on fire, add vegetable oil and fry some sliced onions. Then add the blended pepper, leave to fry, and then I'll season the pepper with salt and seasoning cubes, and then I'll add the snails. Remember, the snails are already cooked. The reason for making the pepper sauce separately is to retain the white color of the rice. As you can imagine, if you add blended pepper to the coconut rice, it will give the rice a reddish color. However, should you prefer to add the pepper and maybe other vegetable to the coconut rice, it will still come out great, but it won't be the Warri style of cooking coconut rice. Now, the pepper sauce is ready and I'll garnish it with some green bell pepper. Wow, oh my goodness, the coconut rice is ready, and truly it is very moist and it melts in the mouth. This is the Warri style of cooking coconut rice. It is so soft and delicious. Thank you for watching this video, and please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Please kindly hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification bell so you get exclusive access to all my videos and you get updates whenever I upload a new video. Leave me a comment in the comment section. I would like to hear from you. Click the like button, share this video to your family, your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, I don't waka.